How can your friends only view your story in Snapchat? Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. The first step is to open Snapchat. Then when Snap is opening, as you see, you go here on your profile and click. Then go here to settings and click, and then you will go down and you go to view my story. Then click, and then you will change it, this who can view my story or who can watch my story or see my story in Snap. I will change it to my friends only, like this, and I will back, and as you see now it's changed. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next